Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and right now I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Capricorn. Okay, Sun, Moon and Venus rising Capricorn. Please check out your Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign. Okay, if the message is not even though single message is not resonating with you, okay, then we will start with your reading. Please guides, please spirits, guides, angels, let us know what are the messages for the Capricorn for the month of October 2020. Please universe give us the guidance, what are the messages for the Capricorn in the August 2020. Okay, very good. Four of wands. Okay, King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, the Moon, the Queen of Swords and the Devil. Okay, the Devil is your energy, Capricorn. Okay, so you have the major arcana, two major arcana, the Moon and the Devil. Okay, so okay, so in the October 2020 you are getting one offer, Knight of Pentacles, you are Princess of Charming and Prince of Charming. Okay, but this offer is slow because pentacles are slow moving energy. This offer is regarding your stability, or you might be giving your offer to the person. Okay, you are ready to give you the offer of stability, love, connection, marriage. This is the card of marriage. Okay, this is the card of marriage, and you will propose for the marriage, commitment, higher level of connection. Even though you are married, it is a higher level of commitment. Okay, or you are might be attending some functions, family functions. Okay, like marriage, birthday ceremony, anniversary. Okay, like that. Or those who are singles, unmarried, or in a relationship, their relationship will be going to be the higher level. Okay, and those who are single, they will get the marriage proposal, or you might be giving the marriage proposal to somebody. Some people are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, I strongly feel because there is a Knight of Pentacles and this is the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is a very loyal, genuine person, and this is the very sometimes this is very harsh because they never tolerate the truth, false commitments. Okay, they want the truth. Okay, even though it is very bitter, or even though it is very hard to accept, but they like to accept the truth. They want to be realistic in their life, and whatever the wrong things, they are never going to be tolerate. Okay, so you should be careful while proposing them. And some of you having the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in your chart. Okay, you want this connection. See, you can see the baby face. You want the family expansion with that person, but that person has been turned their back to you. This might be your ex, this might be your past person. Okay, because that person has been given you the back and you are going to that person. Something has been happened in between you that caused the trauma, that caused the conflict, that caused you the burdens. Okay, and see, Three of Wands. Yes, and you are now faithful, hopeful to bring this connection. Okay, but that person has been turning their back to you because you might be having put them on in the third party situation, or some you might be dealing with the fellow earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That person has been treated you in this way. They has been put you in the third party situation, and right now you are coming. You are ready to see the progression. Three of Wands, Four of Wands. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. So you are right now ready. You are able. You are coming your. You come to know your problem. You come to know the judgment. that this person might be one for you. Okay, and you just want to be give you the that offer again. And the devil energy is showing that some of you, and yeah, as you got this clarity to yourself, you will come into your energy, the devil. Okay, and you don't know how this person will react. Even that person will accept your things, even that person will not accept your thing. You are very anxious. Okay, and some you are, for some of you, you are getting the dreams, you are getting the dreams regarding this situation, you are getting the dreams of this person. Okay, and you are some things universe want to let you know through your dreams or even your intuitions. So you have to be focus on your intuitions, what your intuitions are guiding to you. Okay, in the October 2020, because it is really important for you to know these things. Okay, so I will take this card, and we will go to the why the devil is here. Okay, why the devil is, clarify please, why the devil is here, why the devil card is here. We will clarify the moon and the devil. Okay, why the devil card is here. Yeah, you are controlled, means you are, whatever the mistakes you has been done with that person, or that person has been your fellow Aquarius, Libra, sorry, your fellow sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn has been done with you. That person is very having facing some sleepless nights, anxiety problems. Okay, and you might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini in your chart. Okay, or that person who is going to be facing this trouble. Okay, yeah, and that person wants very quick communication with you, or you might be having very quick want very quick communication with them. You want to cut the air. Okay, you want to cut the air, and you want starting again the new start with this person. Okay, either you please take the message wisely. Okay, because I am getting so many messages, and this is the general reading, so I am giving you the whatever I am feeling. Okay, so we will take the clarifier, why the moon is here. Okay, why the moon is here, why the moon is here, please clarify why the moon is here. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, you are getting some dreams regarding your money, finance. Okay, and that might be going to come true. Okay, why the moon is here, please again the clarify why the moon is here. You want this solid commitment, I strongly feel. Yeah, very hard very passionately you want the new beginning, because Pentacles again, yeah, see the bottom of the deck is the Lovers card. You are ready to expand these things, you are ready to expand this thing with that person, or that person is ready to expand your because Pentacles, sometimes Pentacles means Pentacles showing as the financial situation also and the family situation also. So you are ready to share your finance with you, sorry, that person, or that person is ready to share their finance, their life with you. Okay, they want give you the stability, they want to give you the commitment, higher level of commitment, and you come to know, or that person has been come to know that this person is the counterpart, and your angels are giving the this person is destined with you, to be with you. Okay, or you are destined to be that person. See, there is a twin flame and soulmate journey, 4 of Wands and 6. Okay, some of you might be, this might be your twin flame. Okay, so we will take the advice cards for you. What are your advices, please? Please unicorns, let us know what are the advices for the Capricorn for the October 2020. Some of you, those who are not looking for love, the financial situations are going to be improved. You will get 2 offers of the career, 2 offers of the finance Ace of Pentacle, which you are not aware about right now, and then the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, and that job, that career will be bring you the happiness, okay, joy, and through the your work you might be meeting your soulmate and twin flame counterpart. Okay, some of you want to go to the abroad, and some past, whatever the past connections, you has been turn your back to that connections, and you now decided to move on to the stability, new job, new career. You want to clear the cords, cut the cords with the negative people, negative situation, toxic people, toxic situations, this, okay, which is giving you the anxiety, because you want to cut the cords. Okay, those who are not looking for the love. So for the singles, this message is for especially for the singles. Okay, they are you are facing some sleep problems, sleep disorders, because you are coming out of your negativity, you are coming out of your addictions, alcoholism, cigarette smoking. Okay, or some person is controlling you. Okay, so you are saying no, I can't tolerate you. Okay, or anymore, means in the further situation I am not going to tolerate you, and I am not the puppet, don't handle me like this. Okay, you will come into your power like this. Okay, Knight of Wands, and you will begin the new things, and as you gain your confidence, you will again get the more clarity and more offer of money. Okay, stable offer of prosperity are going to come, because right now this is not, you are not able to see this, but this is going to come into your life. Okay, so for the Capricorn, please let us know what are the advices. Okay, divine sight, future. Okay, one more card we will take. Please give us one more card. Okay, dignity, and the bottom of the deck is the wishes. Your wish, one of the wish is going to be granted. You just have to be hopeful for the situation. Okay, so divine sight, see the divine in everyone. That I told you, some people has been put you in the third party situation, or you has been put some people in the third party situation. So universe is telling you that see the divine in everyone, don't be rude with them. Okay, be gentle with yourself also and with the others also. Okay, because divine is in everyone. Okay, then the future, let go of the past and move forward. Just now I told you that you just have to be cut the cords, and you will able to cut the cords which are negativity, negative habits, negative thoughts, even though you are facing some sleepless nights. Okay, and you will come to know you, this is not serving your purpose, and this is wrong habits, wrong things. Okay, so you will ready to take the action. Okay, Knight of Swords. Okay, with the fast moving, fast energy. Then the dignity, hold your head up high, and no unicorns are supporting you, universe is with you, unicorns are supporting with you, so you don't have to be worried about this. Okay, so you just have to be in your power and in your courage, confidence. Okay, as you be in a high vibration, then you will attract the more abundance, love, compassion in your life. Okay, then the wishes is card is be careful what you wish for, be careful what you wish for, because one wish is going to be granted. Okay, always we are directly, indirectly manifesting the things for us. So you have to be change the thinking pattern, change your thinking pattern, in the sense, if you think like I don't have money, I don't have money, then it will come to in reality you don't have money. But even if you are, this is the indirect manifestation, you are manifesting that, that's why that is coming into your table. But you have to be manifest in the way, yeah, I am abundant, I am abundant in the love, in the prosperity, in the finance, I am abundant, then this will come into your life. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.